Alright, so in this video we're going to focus on graphing lines that are in point slope form. So it's a pretty simple process. You're just going to read the equation to identify what the point and the slope are. Like here our slope is -2, which as a fraction would be -2/1. And then the point that it passes through is going to be the opposite of that sign and the opposite of that sign. So the x value is going to be -3. And the y value is going to be +2. Now, all we do is we're going to plot this point, -3, 2, which is right there. And then from that point, we're going to use our slope to get other points on that line. So from that red dot, I'm going to go, I guess I'll go 2 units down and 1 unit to the right. I'll go down 2 and 1 over, which is going to put me right here. And then I can do it again. I can go 2 units down and 1 over. And again, 2 down, 1 over is going to put me right there. Or you can reverse the process and go up 2 and left 1. Okay, up 2 and left 1. There we go. So we got the graph of our line. So it's a lot like graphing something that's in slope-intercept form, except you don't always necessarily start on this y-axis right here. It can just be some random point out on the coordinate grid. Number 8, let's see here, graph y plus 5 equals 3/4 x plus 4. So the point that it passes through, the x value is going to be -4, and the y value is going to be -5. So -4, -5 is right there. All right, left 4, down 5. And then our slope is going to be 3/4. So from our black dot there, we're gonna rise 3 and run 4. So up 3, 1, 2, 3, and then run 4, and that's going to put us right here. Okay, do it again. Rise 3, 1, 2, 3. And then run 4. It's going to put us right there. And that's all the points that we're able to plot on this one. We just don't have room. You can't go down 3 and left 4, so this is it. As good as it gets. Okay, what is the equation of the line graphed below? So I guess you could try to guess what that y-intercept is there, but it's somewhere between 4 and 5, so I think that's why we're doing this one in point slope form. The point that it passes through, well, there's several points it looks like, but we'll base our answer off this red one. The point that it passes through is 1, 4. 1, 4. And then from the graph, we can tell what that slope is. All right, from that red dot to one of the black dots, it's going down 1 unit and over 3. So our slope has got to be -1/3. And then we can use this to write the equation of the line. So it's going to be, I'll list out that formula. Y minus y naught equals m, x minus x naught. So our equation is going to be y minus +4 for the y naught. And then m is -1/3. And then we're going to have x minus 1. That's going to be the equation of this line. So there's obviously other equations that would represent this line. You know, we didn't have to use the point 1, 4 for this. We could have used, what is that, -2, 5. It would have been a different looking equation, but every solution that's on this one that we found would have been on that equation as well. It just would have looked differently. It would have been y minus 5 equals -1/3 x plus 2. But I think because they were kind of accentuating this red dot here, that's the one they wanted us to use.